Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is so personal. This is a channel to where we will test out tips and tricks of sewing notions, patterns, and things that we use day to day in our sewing rooms, from anywhere from big to small, and we will test them here. So thank you for viewing my channel, and since I'm new, if you just subscribe and hit the notification bell, I would very appreciate the support. So one of the things I want to do is get right to it, is talk about one of the most needed things in a sewing room, other than your sewing machine, is an ironing board. Now back here I have my ironing board, which is pretty handy, and it does the job, it works. But I'd rather have something close to my station where I'm working, to where I can just quickly just press and move on to my project. So what I want to do is show you an idea that I've heard from another YouTube person that kind of just gave an idea but never gave instruction, and I kind of took the idea and brought it to life and ran with it. So one thing I want to share with you is I made my own personal ironing board. Now you may think this kind of looks familiar. Where have I seen something like this before? If you know what it is, then you're right. It is a cardboard from a bolt of fabric. Very ingenious, isn't it? So it's lined with batting and upholstered with a nice cotton, and I made a little slip cover for it. So although this slip cover is very useful, and it's my protocol, so it's not gonna be perfect, but you know, I can make more, and I'm excited to make more. But here is where I put my So Personal logo on there. I think it's cute, even though perfection is not achieved. So I'm not looking for perfection, I'm just looking for the idea and how to do it. Alright, so one of the things I wanted to show you was something I got in the mail yesterday, and I want to do an unboxing of it. Of course, you need an ironing board, which I made. Very nice. But along with my portable ironing board, I purchased an Oliso. Okay, a little handheld iron that does the job of any size, big size iron, or even more. So I want to do an unboxing of this today. So in the Oliso, we have a starter guide. Okay, the starter guide says dial position. It talks about dial position, steaming, and then how to correctly hold the iron, and then storage. Very interesting. So on this iron, it will have 3 different settings. It has a low temp for synthetic, a medium temp for wool and silk, and a high temp for linen and cotton. So what they suggest to use on this iron is to leave it as setting either 1 or 2, and not go to 3, but only dial it up to 3 when you need the maximum heat. Then dial it back down to 2, because you know, they don't want the little mini get so hot and bothered. So what they're saying is this iron will get really hot. So steaming, so it has a little tank Yeah, the tank is right back here. All right, and you fill the tank with water. Next, dial to 2 or 3. So you want to like get it really, really hot and wait for the steam buttons to glow white. And you're good to go after that. So, and of course the steam buttons on the side, very handy because your thumb will be right there. So let's go, before I go through any more of that, let's go through and do an unboxing. All right, I'm excited. I was like so excited to get this in the mail. And because I never had a portable iron before. And I'm growing my sewing room. So here we go. And all right, here is the Oliso. This is pretty awesome stuff. Okay, now when we look at this iron, let's see. All right, when we look at this iron, see the it's really dynamic. It's easy to hold. It also comes with this holding plate. It's silicone, and that's what I want to talk to you about, the storage. Okay, so what they say, I'm only reading on what they're saying about this product because I have never used this before. So let's see what they say. So there's 2 sides of this. On your Soulmate, different. One side is for resting the mini on your board, and when you're not using it, it keeps things from getting too hot and steamy. The other side is for proper storage. So this, of course, it has little grooves in it, and you can properly store it. Let's see. I just took it off, so I guess to store it. Okay. You wanna, yeah. It fits on there. You got these little tabs that kind of you pull and it'll fit on there. But on this side, when you're using it, you can rest it right there. That's pretty cool. All right. So let's plug this thing in and see what this thing does. All right. We'll do some adjusting here. I'll pull it out a little bit. I promise, as I get used to more of these YouTube videos, I'll get better at my video things. So, yeah. All right. So there's the Oliso. Pretty nice. Also, this comes in 2 colors, either pink or yellow. And so go plug it in. See, it's filling, and it looks pretty full. It doesn't require too much water. All right, so what we're going to do, we got the dial right here. Let's see. All right, so you can see 1, 2, and 3. So they want us to stay between 1 and 2 just for regular use, and 3 if you need that extra boost of heat. So we're going to turn it. I'm going to turn it to 2. Wrinkled a little bit. See about ironing that. Okay, let's boost it up to 3 to kind of get the steam going. Alright, now I just noticed this right here on the side right here. It's a little window, and you can see the water level through that window. So if you don't know how much water is in there, you can peek. They have them on both sides. Peek. Another thing that they mention here is the correct hand position. So they want your palm to sit like this. They don't want you holding it down here towards the heating source. And let's see. So with this silicone plate, you can set it there. Oh, this is pretty warm. It's pretty warm. All right, so let's see. Oh, one thing I want to mention, Oliso does come with a registration form in your box. They suggest as soon as you get this is they want you to fill it out either on this card, or you can go online and fill it out. And there are some benefits for filling out this. The benefits is extended protection online. So if you fill out your card, you get additional 3 months of warranty protection when you register online. I'm thinking this has a year of protection on it. And then efficient service. So by completing this card, if something, God forbid, anything, all right, see, now we got the glowing white light. That is pretty cool. So anything happens to this, by you filling out the information, it will expedite any kind of service you need, any kind of returns or whatever. They will help you on that. So now we have this light around here. It's glowing white. Okay, just like they said it would. And let's see. It steams. Hold on. Let me see if I can. Ooh, look at that. Wow. It steams pretty good. Ooh. So that's pretty good. I like that. And let's see. Steams the wrinkles out beautifully. Has the power that I need. Let's bring it down to 2 like I suggested. I really suggest you keep it at 2 because this thing gets really hot. Now, I don't know if how many times you press the button, you get steam, but that is pretty cool. So that's all I have for right now. I hope to do many more tutorials on little gadgets like the Oliso and other gadgets that helps us along with our sewing projects. The best way to get a project done is to have an efficient way to do it, and if you have the right tools, you can shine out a good project. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and please hit the notification bell. I thank all of you for watching and see you soon.